At any moment, bird flu may become the next big pandemic. It has spread among chickens and cows at farms across the United States. The virus has already infected humans. Soon the virus could mutate to spread from person to person, killing millions. The US government knew about this over a year ago, but has done little to stop it. There's been very little testing of animals and people to track the spread of the disease. Farm workers have not been vaccinated. We need to fix our public health systems to keep us safe. We need a strong World Health Organization to keep outbreaks from spreading globally, and to pick up the slack when national governments fail.